Hello, my name is Brooking. I'm standing in front of our Catalina, belonging to Plain Sailing. I'm one of the shareholders, of which there are 16, and we own the aircraft between us. There are 7 of us that fly the aeroplane regularly. She's 67 years old, but still performs quite sprightly when we want her to. Quite a different aeroplane from a lot of others to fly, I imagine, because she needs literally flying every inch of the way. She's not a particularly stable aircraft, so you're constantly correcting on the ailerons and the rudders pretty well everywhere you're flying. The main part of the work we do is for air shows, travelling not just in the UK but quite widely on mainland Europe. We've been out as far as Warsaw and to Piestany in the Slovak Republic to the east, down as far as Barcelona just last weekend. And we don't go very far west because you finish up at the Atlantic, and we've had one long flight bringing it over here from Canada, and I think that's probably enough for the time being. Being able to fly an old warbird like this is a great privilege. The aircraft themselves in the war, well over 3,000 of them were built, and they played a very important but fairly quiet role during the war, both hunting for enemy submarines, enemy fleets, and also being able to land on the water to pick up downed airmen or sailors in the water after a shipwreck. Indeed, it was Catalina that finally spotted the Bismarck before they sent the Swordfish in to sink it. So a very important role, and it is a great privilege to be able to fly one of the few remaining airworthy examples of it.